All right, here's how to replace a broken mirror on your vehicle. First of all, how are you gonna get the glass? There are kits you can buy where you have to cut the glass yourself, but then you need to know how to cut glass. So the easiest way is to look up this I got this at AutoZone. Look up replacement mirror glass on the internet and you'll find it for your vehicle. Hello, YouTube. And make sure that you get one that's the same size, measure it across, and then have them show it to you at the store. This was actually on the shelf at AutoZone. I didn't even have to have them order it for me. So you can either buy the glass already attached to the plastic part and just replace the whole plastic part, or you can buy glass that sticks onto your existing plastic piece. Now, if the mirror housings are all beat up on your truck, you might want to just replace both of them because they're pretty cheap to replace the whole assembly altogether and easy to do. So that comes with some sticky stuff on the back of it. And really the hardest part of this job is getting the old glass off. So I've got screwdrivers and an old palette knife, and we're going to just try to chisel it, get it flat, and then put the stickers on it. I've got a garbage can down below to catch all the glass. Don't wear flip-flops. People hate it when I show my feet in videos. I probably get a lot of feet hater comments. I'm proud of my feet, leave me alone. And you know, some boots, some gloves, garbage can underneath should catch all the glass. That's good, the glue is coming off pretty easy there. See, there's glue on the back of it. So it should be a fairly easy job. As long as I don't get any of this in my eyes or stuck in my hands. Warped. So it sticks out in the middle. So the smart thing here would probably be to replace the whole plastic part along with the mirror, but we're gonna try putting the carpet tape that comes with it on the sides and putting a little glue in there, and it should hold. It comes with this two-sided carpet tape type of stuff, so I'm gonna cut it to fit. I'm gonna stick it on the mirror insert, and then we're gonna put a little bit of this glue in there too. I like Amazing Goop. This stuff is really sticky, so if we ever have to change the mirror again, it's gonna be hard to get off, but it'll hold it on there. All right, so we've got shoe goo here and some sticky tape there. So one or the other should hold it in place. Then line her up. And that's it, we are mirrored. It's not a perfect fit, obviously, but that glue should hold it in place and it should work for us.